Hi everyone!
Hi everyone! So, we hope today you're going to enjoy our craft.
Do you like your milk?
Yeah.
Got milk here. So get all your yarn. We're gonna use pastel colors. Aren't
Yes.
these so pretty?
I want to take these two and you use so pretty.
Cut out some hearts using a heart shaped cutter.
Just like these.
From some cardboard. So we're just using some cardboard from a pizza box. We've cut out the hearts.
The hearts.
Alright, and now we're gonna wrap them with some yarn.
What are colors we picked?
And just start wrapping. So you keep your finger on the end of the string and you just wrap. I'm done with my first heart.
Hey, wait for me.
Well, and you just put a tiny dot of glue and then
swap.
you just stick it right here and you've got your first heart and it looks so fluffy and beautiful. Look at it. I can't wait to see how yours is going to turn out. So we finished making all these yarn hearts.
Yeah, which are
this plate. We're going to cut out the middle.
We're going to cut out this huge circle. It's first we told you we're going to cut out this huge circle
Out of the plate.
out of the plate, yeah.
And then what did
Then
I do?
we wrapped up the yarn on.
So I used white jute yarn and we wrapped it all up. And now it's ready for us to put the white yarn to make a dream catcher. Here? Okay. No, we don't do it over. It looks neater this way. Look. I put it, and now you push it in. Teamwork. So we finished putting the string through so that we've got the dream catcher already. And now we're gonna stick on the yarn hearts on the bottom. What do you think? Enough.
I just want to put enough so then it'll goo well.
First, okay, enough.
It's time for put it down. You can put any side we want. I want to put that one because that one.
So now that we've stuck all the yarn hearts on, we've got one more step to do. But because it's Cece's bedtime, we're actually gonna put this to the test. We're gonna hang this over Cece's bed to see if it's gonna catch her bad dreams. Yeah. And then tomorrow we're gonna do the next step. So for the second part, we've got some yarn, some crochet lace, some pom-pom lace, some pearls, and some tassels, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna show you how we made this piece of yarn where we just hung out, we just made some knots and put some pearls. Yeah, let's show them.
So, I'm going to show you now what you have to do to get the pearl. So you find the hole, there has to be a hole of course, and you put the needle through the hole like that, you see?
Okay.
And then
So you just leave about 2 inches or 1.5 inches space between each knot.
Yes, and you just have to be careful.
Cut the crochet lace and the pom-pom lace to the length that we need it to be. We're just gonna hot glue it onto the dream catcher. Okay, Cece?
Yeah.
It's all done. We hope you like it, and we hope you're gonna make your own heart-inspired dream catcher. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So if you like our Valentine dream catcher, please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time with another craft. Bye!
Bye.